Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Samsung Galaxy A54 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone, remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug from the logic board. Next, remove the faulty charging port board from the body. First, remove the bottom speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, disconnect two antenna heads, the touch ID sensor plug, and both main flex connector plugs from the charging port board. The right hand side main flex plug is connected to the LCD screen plug. Apply gentle heat and carefully pry it off the charging port board. Handle this step gently to avoid damaging the LCD connector. Next, remove the not working charging port board by undoing the screw. Next, place the new charging port board on the frame and secure it by adding the screw. Next, paste the LCD plug to the charging port board and secure both main flex plugs. Next, secure the Touch ID plug and then antenna heads to the charging port board. Also, ensure the antennas are securely running through the frame. Next, place and secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.